Hello everyone. So in this video I want to go into a all-time analysis for Ethereum. Actually we're gonna go starting from the monthly, then weekly, daily, and then hourly. So here is the all-time Ethereum. It has started, of course, since 2015 in August. So as you can see that this is a full bull run here, okay, that we can see on the monthly chart. So what we can see is a very clear impulse here for Ethereum. We're starting almost like one, two, three, I think 4 and 5. So if you want to count the 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, that is for 3, and then yeah, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So this is on the monthly. What we can see here, I'm gonna put the count 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is the lowest? It is this one, 4, and 5. Yeah, it's very clear impulse until here, and after such bull run, we can expect, of course, an ABC, right? So a correction for the full bull run, which it starts the A here and a potential B, and then we might have another C. So it looks like kind of a regular flat with 3 wave, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we can, here it's a little bit tricky, but I think, yeah, this is one wave, then it is a B, and then we might see now a down impulse, yeah, for 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C, because wave C is always impulsive. So yeah, basically so this is what we're gonna see, A, B, and C. Yeah, basically this is on the monthly, so we're gonna expect a downtrend toward down almost to, yeah, what it says here, almost to 900, which was the price before in 2022. Very interesting. Now this of course still a probability. It's not necessarily that it happens, but don't forget what was Bitcoin and where it started and where it is now. So yeah, basically if that price was the aim or the next target, I won't be surprised after all this bull run, okay, with the whole price from almost, it has started 15 cent, right, from 15 cent to 3,100. So yeah, 950 would not be a surprising when we look at this chart here, and still not bearish actually if you want to count this. However, after an ABC, we might start then a new bull run there. So yeah, it could be, guys, it could be also that the correction has almost ended here. So this is a second scenario, ABC. However, it's a very shallow correction for the whole time. Like it cannot be just this correction is the whole time correction, because it's a full bull run here. And it has ended clearly here, and of course it needs, even to be honest, like a clear correction like that. Yeah, so even yeah, maybe Ethereum is very strong even to not go down to this far, right? So therefore 900 to 1000 is still very possible target. So if we want to take here the Fibonacci, so let's have extension of flat for wave C, A, B, sorry, this was so A, B, and C. Well, yeah, the Fibonacci level suggests here for the flat is 1 Fibonacci here at 100. However, a flat can always be a running flat, right? We do not forget this. So it's very rare, but most targets are to 1. So as I told you, like a correction, a normal correction for such a chart, the normal correction price would be at least somewhere here, right? So therefore, yeah, the 1 Fibonacci correction is very logic. However, there is always potential to have kind of a running flat, which it can stop on the 0.618 Fibonacci. So that could be a potential C, and then the bull run could start again from there. So everything is possible. Now I know that no one would like to hear that price or even lower than 1,000, but with a flat run, it could hit only 1,626, which is almost half what we are now. Of course, it's still on the monthly chart, so yeah, we can take further and zoom in inside this area now into the weekly and see what is going on. So, but first of all, I'm gonna put this into monthly. All right, flat. We are in a flat, so yeah. Let's move to the weekly then. In the weekly chart, so yeah, this is our ABC. As we said, we have 1, 2, 3, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is here the question. This is where the things are interesting, because normally when a flat starts with 3 wave, the wave B should be a 3 wave flat. And then move on with 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5 for the wave C. However, if you want to count this wave B, as we have here 1, 2, 3. All right, we have also a regular flat. We have A, B, C. Okay, yeah, it looks like we have like kind of, yeah, we have a WXY here, right? WXY, which is also corrective, which is 2 zigzags, all right? It's a double zigzag where you find a connection in between, right? And in that case, this becomes a W here, X and Y. And yeah, you can call it, I mean, it has some slight different targets, but it's not so much different from a zigzag at the end. Yeah, so it's a 3 wave still, WXY, and then we're gonna have now the C wave down with impulsive C wave, which it should be. As we said, it could be also a running flat, so it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in diagonal rather than impulse, 5 waves diagonal, and it could only hit then let's see here, let's take it more clear. Yeah, here we go. This is our target. It could hit as diagonal, could hit the 1,626, almost like that. So that is very rare, but normally, of course, we don't want to reach the 100. Yeah, that will be scary for the whole crypto market if that happens. However, this is a very low possibility even. So I think that even it might be very rare, but yeah, I think that this could be a potential target for the wave C, and then we start maybe a bull run again. So I'm predicting this, of course, based on the crypto market and on the strong bull run that it has as Ethereum, and of course a bit for Bitcoin. So it's kind of like logic as well to get a flat running flat here, rather than getting a very regular flat. Yeah, so basically, well, I mean, yeah, I know that it might sound also that we're getting a bear market. We're getting into a bear market again, with a here or there. Yeah, so this is crypto, and of course, nothing can sustain the whole time towards the upside. Right? So we have to understand that this is a very strong uptrend, and somehow, somewhere, it needs like real correction. Okay, guys, and of course, crypto cannot be always just towards the sky. So let us be logic here and be, of course, aware of what is going on. So if we move on, so this is a weekly, so I'm gonna save this as a weekly. Yeah, so weekly. What I see also here, as you can see, guys, that the volume of the whole trend has slightly start to move down. Yeah, as you can see, this is what the peak of the volume where we got our all-time high. Yeah, and we see also how the volume is decreasing at the time, so that it's kind of a signal as well. Yeah, what is going on, but it doesn't mean always that it's gonna be a bearish signal, because once this start to grow up again, yeah, when it goes down, this thing here on the chart, it might also launch again to the upside. All right, so don't take it that a lower volume it is the end. All right, it's not the end, of course. Look how much the volume was when Ethereum has started, and look what we are now still. All right, so even if it bear a little bit, it will never get back to this volume. All right, it's gonna stay high. Of course, it's gonna go down, but however, the things are going higher somewhere soon later. Yeah, so yeah, this is Ethereum for the weekly. For the daily, let's see for the daily. All right, so in the daily, we are basically in the, yeah, after the Y here, so we are moving basically in the C wave, and basically we can call this as 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Let's make sure that the 1 is correct, because it should be 5 waves as well. So let's see as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the lowest low is this. Okay, that is also kind of tricky thing here. If that is 1 here, that is a very shallow one. So if we take the 1 from this small candle, and then it's very shallow, like 1, 2, and 3, then 4, yeah, for A, B, C, 4, that's right, and then 5. Yeah, it can be. So 1, 2, 3, A, 2, 3. Yeah, this is the highest. So then A, B, C. So yeah, it can be 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5 for the wave 1, and then we got the wave 2, which is a flat, expanded flat. Kind of expand. No, it's a normal flat. Okay, with 3 wave, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. So ABC. All right. So let's call this. Let's name it. So we have here 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 to come next, and then we have here, of course, an A, B, B, and C. Okay, it might be, by the way, WXY again inside it. And then we have now we are in the wave 3. In the wave 3, of course, the wave 3 should start also impulsive with wave 1. So we have like 1, 2, and 1, 2 again. Oh, we have triple. Okay, we have almost triple 1, 2. So that might lead. This is a 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah. So yeah, and basically this is, or it could be all of it as 1, 2, and then we get 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 4, 5. Okay, so because we have 1, 2, double 1, 2, yeah, we might have double 4, 5, 4, 5. So basically this is what I see here is double 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the first one. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the second one. Yes. So it's a double 1, 2, guys, here. So let's set up this as well as 1, 2, and we're gonna have 3, 4, 5. This is gonna be a minor or the bigger one. So let's call this one the smaller. And here is also 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be, let's use the micro here, and we can use slightly different colors. So as you can see, we have two impulses inside each other's with double 1, 2, double 4, 5. The wave 3 did not yet start, okay, so it might be a little bit intense. And as we can see here, there is a gap, right? When we see something like that, and we touch this thing here, right? For the first touches with the wick, it represents kind of a support. But once we break it with a candle and we close the candle here, if the candle closes inside this gap, we're talking on the daily, of course. If a daily candle close under this, inside this whole gap, consider that the whole thing is gonna just run directly and fast to the bottom, okay? And that might be only the wave 3, okay? Then it start to make a correction, 4, 5, and then 4, 5 to the downside, to reach, as we said, the 1,600. Yeah, so yeah, it looks everything somehow everything looks already clear for the whole scenario. So yeah, unfortunately this is this is a prediction for Ethereum, but I have to be clear and honest with you guys. I wish that I can tell you that it's just gonna go up, but don't forget that as a trader, and not just as a crypto holder, as a trader, you might make money with both things, right? Yeah, whether it is bullish or bearish, right? So this is the thing. I'm a trader, and yeah, I use both, to be honest. Bullish and bearish scenarios, I trade both based on daily, weekly, it doesn't matter. But the thing is that I trade the thing, and I just don't hold the things, right? Because everything in stock market or in the crypto market, that is up and down, all right? That is up and down. And I know that most of the people prefer to hold on and wait for the highest prices. However, what is the idea to hold your crypto onto the higher high and then it goes down? I think, to be honest, it's a waste of money. It's a waste of time. It might go down, and you might not know if or when it will come back to what it was before. Therefore, yeah, guys, be careful of what you're doing, and know where and when to go out, right, with the things. So this is my update about Ethereum. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, hit the button And thank you. See you in the next video.